Hi, I'm Sander, CEO at Endless.com. The holy grail of website personalization is, of course, one-on-one personalization. This means that every single website visitor sees the content that is most relevant for him or her specifically. This maximizes the attention span of your visitors, it improves conversion rates the most, and provides the best user experience. Until recently, this was pretty much impossible, but those days are over. Services like Unless provide you with the tools to achieve one-on-one personalization without much work, and even if you have a lot of traffic. How does that work? Well, you need three things. 1. Clear business goals. 2. Granular customer segmentation. And 3. Parallel personalization of your website content. Let me start with goals. You need a clear view of your business objectives. These goals can be positive, like a visitor buying a product, or negative, like a visitor returning a product. You need to define these goals in the Unless system to measure the success of your personalization. This is very important. Then, you need to define your audiences, basically visitor categories. Take note, an audience is not the same as a user persona. Any website visitor typically fits multiple audiences. Anyway, you can define audiences by session context, which is location, local weather, or referrer. Visitor background, name, address, industry, imported from your CRM system or so. Or visitor achievements like goals, visited pages, and the topics a visitor read about. Important, audience memberships may allow visitors to stay in an audience for a long time. So even for return visits or for later in your funnel, all the way to the goal that you defined. But let's look at a simple example. If I look at myself, I could fit into these three audiences. People from Amsterdam, 40 plus people who are short-sighted, and people interested in outdoor sports. But these three audiences alone already allow for 8 different combinations and therefore 8 different user personas. And this adds up really quickly. If I would come up with 20 audiences like that, there would be a million different permutations of people possible. With 33, you would have enough user personas to describe the entire world population uniquely. In theory at least. That's impressive, right? Now, let's get back to the example. Let's say that I would adjust my homepage for each of those three audiences. Unless we'll make sure that I can show a headline for audience 1, a background picture for audience 2, and maybe some text changes for audience 3. These may or may not fire at the same time, depending on your audience membership combination. In my case, all the alternatives will fire. So, using only 3 audiences, I can create a unique homepage for 8 different people. With 20 or more, I could serve unique content to millions of visitors without that much work. Mission accomplished. One-on-one personalization achieved. So, if you want to make the most out of your website too, get the highest conversion rates and offer the best user experience, wait no more. Book a demo at Endless.com and we will be happy to help you.